Across Arkansas, it is time for the spring harvest. Time to harvest the winter wheat. But the wet weather this year has taken its toll. Crop size is down, and wet fields have kept the combines idle for too many days. But this is a day of nonstop labor. Farmer Larry Tipton oversees his platoon of farmhands and machinery.
It's just seeing what you'd growed, seeing how good a crop you've made. It's just a good feeling whenever you made a good crop. And everybody likes to harvest with us in the spring or in the fall of the year. This fall, everybody will be looking forward to the rice and bean harvest, so wheat harvest just like it.
There are 900 acres to cut and thrash, and it will take 8 days to do it. The wheat measures 50 bushels an acre. Last year it was 70. Making money is harder this year, but the work is always hard.
It's some hard work, long hours. Everybody likes it. It's a lot different to the old combines back when we didn't have cabs, no radios, and no air conditioners, so it's a whole lot easier than it used to be, but it still gets tiresome sitting there for 8, 9 hours a day. It's going to be a fair crop, not as good as it was last year, but it's going to be a pretty good crop.
The harvesters will run 12 hours today and empty 24 loads of grain. Next week, the land will be plowed and a crop of soybeans planted to be ready for the next harvest in the fall. Ron Blum, Channel 4 Eyewitness News, near Furlough.